TV, where everything on your TV is always freaking wet lit. See, I know that. I think I'm gonna keep that because the more I keep saying it, the more it's gonna keep staying. I just love that very much. I came with that one on my own, so it's gonna stay. As you guys can see by the title, today we are back with a new thing, a new thing, a new thing. I basically just said we back with another thing because it's a new thing that I'm doing and I want to do it with y'all. Yeah. It's our anniversary. That's really my shit. I know I look a mess for the second time in a row, but I just really don't care. We are back with Eat the Treat, y'all, but I rebranded it, redirected it, and we're gonna really get into it this time. I really want to try out a few things that I have noticed online, even on TikTok, even on Instagram, seeing some. So I'm gonna try some of these things out here. The first thing I wanted to make though was something that I feel like I learned to make very well. Today we're gonna be making Cajun meat Alfredo. I call it Cajun meat Alfredo because it's a mixture of different type of meats. It's shrimp, sausage, and chicken. I made it for my mom probably about like 3-4 weeks ago, or probably like a month ago, I don't know, and she really liked it. So I really want to make this again and see how I do. I love my stuff spicy, so of course I have to make Cajun. But the funny thing is, y'all, I'm getting ready to do meal prep, right? So I prepped the whole situation. Seeing all of that, y'all see all of that out, right? Oh look, your girl ain't got no more Cajun seasoning. It's okay, cause we gonna make it do what it do, okay? All right, so let's get it. So I already started cutting up some meat. I got one more slice of meat left to cut, but we got our meat here, we got our sausage here, I got all my seasonings here. Of course, I have our Parmesan cheese for the ending. We got our kosher salt. I always like to put a little acidity kosher salt. Honestly, y'all, kosher salt is the best kitchen and salt to use rather than the regular one. I got the Lawry's. I like to use hot sauce. Fun tip, Daniel, shout out to Daniel, taught me this tip. Douse your meat in hot sauce and oil when you are seasoning or oiling it. It helps to get a little thicker and get the juices really well. This hot sauce tip, excuse my language, this hot sauce tip really works. You gotta always have the butter. You know why? Because butter make it taste better, butter make it taste better, butter make it taste better. It's garlic right here. So we gotta have our heavy whipping cream. And we got our classic Alfredo sauce. I like to make my own regular saute sauce with the heavy whipping cream, and then I also like to kind of, not fry, but kind of get this hot a little bit on the stove and mix it with a little bit more seasoning. I want to make it a little bit more spicier and then combine them. That's how I like to do it. Add some shrimp. Of course, guys, I told you it's going to be a mixed meat. I'm actually going to be using wide egg noodles to do this. I've never used wide egg noodles, but I was like, I want to try something different. I always use either fettuccine noodles or the rigatoni. I think it's rigatoni because I'm not gonna lie, I love pasta so much. I'll be trying to make sure I learn all of those, but I only use fettuccine. I think it's rigatoni and penne noodles. I use those too. So I use a couple, but I wanted to try the egg noodles this time. We got our lemon. I like to add a little juice to it. Garlic powder, black pepper, Old Bay, dash, onion powder, chili powder. Since I don't have any more Cajun seasoning, god damn it, I'm gonna use chili powder mixed with a little bit of onion powder and a little bit of garlic sauce. Quick recipe tip of that's what's used in Cajun seasoning. So I'm just gonna try to see if I can make something out of something because I am not going to the store. It is not that deep. What I'm gonna do, since I just want to get in the mood, I want to take a shot real quick just because. Y'all, my birthday is in 2 weeks from today. My birthday is on a Wednesday, so 2 weeks from today is my birthday. It's gonna take me 2 shots of whatever's left of this bottle right here. Y'all can see that I'm not playing, because people be like, I didn't see you taking a shot. Me and tequila are just not a match no more. Like, I love dark liquor. Tequila and me, we're not a match no more. Oh, I can smell it. That's why we're not a match no more. I smell that from far away. Cheers to my birthday. I'm gonna finish cutting this chicken and finna start cooking. It's from Ralph's, so if you see it and it got this wrapper right here, this is where it's from. All natural, I guess that's what you like to call them. Like $6, and it has 4 chicken breasts in there. I'm cutting up the last one. As you can see, here's my meat. This is about 3 right here. They're really small, so don't think that they're like, oh my god, a big chicken breast for 4. No. Asking me why I never left you and why I kept it real with you. And I like to dice mine. on. I know people like to do theirs in strips. Sometimes I'll do like half strips. This is a half strip to me. If I see any fat, I like to cut off. That's nasty. I'm trying to watch my figure and they put all this freaking fat on my freaking meat. Ew. Ladies and gentlemen, I put my noodles, my egg noodles in here. Fill it up with some very hot water because I like to clean all my grains, rice, noodles, anything like that, beans, anything fresh like that. Do it with hot water twice, and then the last time I like to do it with lukewarm water. Sometimes I have to even do it a fourth time with cold water just to make sure it's all gone out. That's hot water. Whatever shells, whatever pastas, whatever you're using, it does get cleaner, guys. It's just the process of wanting to do it. People like to think that it gets clean when they're, you know, cooking them and boiling it, but no. If you wash it before, you will get a lot more bang for your buck, I promise. Hi. Do not have to do this, but this is what I like to do. Again, you do not have to do this, but this is what I like to do. I know y'all people, y'all like to be like, you told me to do it. I didn't tell you to do not a darn thing. I can give you a tip, because that's why it's called tips and tricks. Put the fire on. Come on, bro. Hold on, hold fast. I'm about to cook all the meat at once. That means the shrimp, the chicken, and sausage. I'm gonna cook it all, season it all at once. And y'all can get into it. Right now, let me just give y'all a little tour. There's a mix of my sausages, my shrimp, and my chicken. My seasonings I put in it. Spice going on up in here, I'm telling y'all. Then this simmer, look at all that juice, that good juice. Oh, y'all know butter make it taste better. Both my meat and add some butter to my noodles. Finna add my sauce in it. Shit looks so good, bro. Boom! Your girl just finished. It looks real good, no count. Oh. I just finished and it was so good. Okay, that up. So good. Thank you guys for tapping in for this Cajun meat Alfredo. If you ever want to try it, I am gonna drop the ingredients and the steps Instagram. They are on the Eat the Treat page. A little something special, a new lifestyle hack I want to start it for you guys. I actually love to cook now. It's very therapeutic for me, so I'm so glad I got to share that recipe with you guys. It was kind of different, but it was actually pretty good. I actually really enjoyed it. So thank you guys for always staying tuned, staying tapped in. I promise next video I'm not gonna look a mess. Make sure y'all catch the video. Make sure y'all follow Eat the Treat. I just created a new Instagram page for it. I might create a website showing my different recipes that I do, but that's just more far in the water. As of right now, make sure you guys follow Eat the Treat as well as follow Jiraiya Marie TV, and we'll see you in the next episode.